So, Merry Christmas everybody. It's now Boxing Day. It's still around the Marzan family home. We've got even more visitors today and more food. Oh, looking very nice today. We've got fish and rice. With brother Ronnie. Hi guys. Sister Mary Jane. Look at this. Very nice food. Vegetables, fish. Everybody's busy cooking again. Anyway, what have I done this morning? So I bought a new pump for the house because the other pump was falling to pieces. It's a hand pump, so we fitted a new one. In fact, I'll show you it. Yeah, we've got for a new one. The other one gave up the ghost after 20 years. So we have a new pump. It's an Eagle. You see the state of the old one, guys. That should do the job now. I mean, look at this. Absolutely broken, knackered, finished. So 20 years of service, that pump. Right, it's finally bit the dust and we replaced it. Just 3,000 pesos, so not too much money. Not really. Anyway guys, spent so much money this year on the family and that. We've got e-bikes and karaoke machines and televisions and mobile phones and money and pumps and spent a fortune. But you know what? They're worth it. The whole family are worth it. What I have done though, as you've probably seen in the other videos, I bought myself something. The inspiration came from another YouTuber, an American called Joe Go Wonder. Joe Go Wonder. I watch his blogs pretty much all the time. Really nice guy. He's bought something exactly the same as this. So say hello to my new little friend. It's probably the smallest motorcycle I've ever bought in my life. It's an ADV 160 in white. And you know what? It's nice. I like it. It's very nice. I bought a bracket and a top box to go with it. An SEC top box which I fitted. It's quite a tidy box actually. I like these. It wasn't very expensive. It's got a liner in it and little pockets and things. I got this from Ride Elite in Rojas. Ride Elite. I did put them on another video not long back. So this one you can take off. It locks to the back as well. Quite funky. There's no number plate because it's not been registered yet. It's in the process of being registered, and I get 3 years registration with the people I bought it from, brand new. It's a very nice bike. It's not fast. You know, I'm used to 1000cc, 900cc Hondas, but it's got everything you need. It looks nice. It's got a nice style to it. It's pretty quick. Does about 70 miles an hour. But yeah, the Honda ADV. Quite like it, guys. I've got some other things coming. I've got like what they call a camelback seat. It's just a little bit hard here, this seat. There's a camelback seat and there's some other bits coming, like what they call a riser, which makes the handlebars come up and over here a little bit more to the front. Because I'm a little bit close back for me at the moment. I'm quite a tall guy at 6'3". So yeah, that's Merry Christmas to Steve from Steve. I am going to go for a little ride at the moment. Just going into Mallig, into town. I can't really film while I'm riding the bike because it's just not really safe, is it? And I'm not wearing a helmet. I've got some other things coming. I sit here, there's a phone holder and something that comes off here which will be for putting the GoPro on. In my case it'll be the Action 5 Pro DJI. That will sit there on a bracket. so at least I can video what we're doing while we're on the bike, guys. So just waiting for them to come from Shopee. They should be in the next few days. Right, let's get into town.
A few minutes later.
Okay, where we are, I'm in Mallig, in the marketplace at the moment. Boxing Day. Everybody's busy. Still quite a lot going on, guys. Things been unloaded. A few people shopping, the market's open. Got some street food. So even on Boxing Day, things are happening. Mallig, Isabela. Quite a busy day today. Food's looking delicious. Got some nice food here. Hey. Clothes. Groceries, eggs, cream. More clothes. Poultry supplies. More drinks. So nice to be away from the UK. Sort of crowded cities, towns, moody people. Well, here is a good place. Hey, we got up there. Hey, UK-PINAY, shout out. Okay, we'll catch you later, guys. The local mechanics. You like the mama? Huh? Chewy mama?
You like mama?
No, a cigarette. Cigarette, boss. Hey, what we got up here? Oh, more people up there. Say hi. Whew. Lot more pet supplies. Plenty going on. Morning, sir. Hello. Busy little town, this. Always something going on. Laundrette. Not so much traffic today, obviously. The chemist shop. Printing. Hair salon.
Wala nang hihigit pa sa simpleng pagsasama nating dalawa.
Money shop.
Galing sa trabaho, hindi mo'y laging pahinga ko. Kahit simpleng ulam lang sa mesa.
More mechanics. Hey.
Kailangan mamasyal palagi, kahit kwentuhan sa may bintana.
Motorcycle parts.
Bawat kumusta mo'y sagot
Wonder what they have in here.
sa puso
Maybe something new for the ADV. I'll have a quick look round. You know guys, I came to the conclusion I'm the only foreigner here in Mallig. I've not met any other foreigners, Americans, UK, nobody really, just me. Another busy day. Wow, so much going on. There's more shops up top as well. Not sure what that is. I think it's rice. Oh, hi. Vlogger. You want to do a shout out?
Shout out po kay Glenda Villan.
Okay, let me give you some tickets.
Thank you.
So we're from UK, England. Thank you so much. My wife is Filipino. We live in San Jose, Norte. Yes, more. Just scan, okay? Give us a like, leave a comment. I'll give you the shout out. Thank you, ladies. Ooh, people are so friendly here. Just friendly people. Right. What's the next stop for the day? Find my motorbike, I suppose. There she is. Here's the ADV.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Everybody is so friendly here. Don't have to use a helmet actually in this country. You should wear one. But out here in the villages, they don't normally bother you. Lots of cows. And lots of rice. It's a beautiful place, guys. So this is typical Isabela, Mallig. You've got to see this. I mean, the view. Especially when you're riding a motorcycle, guys. You smell everything, you see everything. You never see this in the UK. I mean, for instance, look at this. It's a typical man with his caravel. The caravel's working really hard. And they're sorting out the rice fields. Caravels. Very hard working animals. This guy's hard working as well, out in the fields every day, sorting everything out. The caravel pulls the cart to the field, then he takes the caravel off the cart and the caravel works. Fields are just full, waiting to be the rice to be planted. As far as the eye can see is rice. And over there in the distance, you've got the mountains. Really is a beautiful place. Coconut trees everywhere.
Bawat agos ng dagat, ako'y nag-aantay.
Such a nice place to be, guys. Well, that's that little bit of the tour over. So, that's Mallig out the way. And now, we're in San Jose Norte 1. So this is the main street, the petrol station, the community centre. I think that's a bus stop, I'm not sure. They're building a new centre there where they'll have all the basketball courts and places where people can come and have their events. That's not finished yet. That's being built. So this is San Jose Norte 1. This is the barangay office. And here's the old municipal multi-purpose centre. This is the one they're going to demolish, I should imagine. This is where the... Good morning. Hello. I am a blogger. Yes, do you want to shout out? And say hello? Hi. Let me give you a card. Uh-oh. Blogger from the UK, guys. But my wife is from San Jose Norte. The Marzan family. Here you go, sir. One for you. One for you, sir. Just scan with the telephone. Scan that. YouTube. YouTube blogger. UK-PINAY. To the basketball court, guys. So I suppose they'll demolish this one and they'll have the new one over there when it's finished. There we go. There's not much to San Jose Norte. You have one, and then further down the road you have two. San Jose Norte 2, or whatever they say in Tagalog. You've got gasoline. You get gasoline here. Loads of little sari stores, little shops. Very quiet today. Right, let's ride further up the road, see what we can find. A bit further down the road, guys, and here we are, San Jose Norte 2. And just there, over there, is the United Methodist Church, San Jose Norte 2, Mallig, Isabela. Over there is the office, and behind there is the pastor's house, and that is the pastor's church. That is the ministry. The pastor of San Jose Norte 2, the church, he's such a nice person. We were in there last week because it was the christening of our godchildren, and the church is very, very nice. Ascension was saying that when she was here 12 years ago, it was pretty much nothing like that. It's been pretty much rebuilt. It's big, it's got air conditioning, it's beautiful inside. It's such a nice place. So, yeah, that's the church, guys. Okay, we'll take a little drive into San Jose Norte 2. Big old house. Not sure what that is. Elementary school. Another big church there. Inglés ni Cristo. Some nice houses.
kalsada, puno ng alaala. Dagat na asul, bundok na matayo, ang iyong mga tanawin hindi
Nice terraces. Very rural here. In fact, I've just got to stop and show you this, guys. Look at that view. Isn't that beautiful? Try and zoom in a bit. That's gorgeous. Really is a beautiful place to be. Really like it here. So much life going on. Little sari shops everywhere. That's a sari store. You can buy pretty much anything you want. People set up shops in front of the house. Okay, that's San Jose Norte 2. So let's head back in again, I suppose. Okay guys, so went down the other end of San Jose Norte 1 and just to see what was around. Not a lot, to be honest, but it is just a small place. So let's make us way back to Mum's house, I suppose. I just figured out as well, we've got auto start stop on this thing. So when I twist the crockle, it starts again. Pretty smart, isn't it? Wait for these people to go by. Very small houses. Little abandoned jeeps. Province life, guys. Barber shop, you want to get your hair cut? And just little kids riding motorbikes. Everybody has tricycles here. Going this way. New build. Probably taking a wrong turn. I'll soon find my way back. Oh well, let's go this way.
Sa aking kamay at tawa mong di ko malimutan kailanman. Tinapay at kapeng mainit sa bangkong kahoy na kupas. Wala mangyari
roads are quite bad, quite bumpy. A lot of these are not concreted.
Kahit saan pa ako mapunta, ikaw ang tahanan sa alaala. Ain't nothing like home.
Okay. What's up this way?
Simpleng pag-ibig di kumukupas, kahit ilang taon ang lumipas. Naalala mo
Okay, that's the gas station. Now I know where I am again.
Hinabol tayo ng iyong ama, dahil sa hali, sa dilim ng gabi. Pero ngumiti ka't sabi mo lang, walang pagsisisi sa tunay na
I think this left turn here, where this nice house is Mum's. Yeah, right near the LPG sign, guys. Another dirt track. I could really do with concrete in this bloody road. Good job I've got decent suspension. Plenty of wild chickens. Well, they belong to somebody, but they just roam free. We turn in here, near the yard. This is Mum's compound, just here with the grey goat. Plenty of people here. Hello. Hi, it's my cousin the barber, hairdresser. I've come at the right time. Can you do anything with this, sir? That'll be a no then. I won't be getting a haircut today, guys. Right, let's catch that thought later. Going back. There's Mrs. C. I've got a shopping delivery.
Will be Monday.
It's in my bag here. That's my wife, always wanting money from me. Mrs. C. Shopping delivery. We'll see. Shopping delivery. Right, I'm going to leave the vlog at this, guys. So, you've seen Mallig, you've seen San Jose Norte 1, you've seen San Jose Norte 2. So, hello to everybody today. Big shout out to all the guys that said hello. To the girls, I got the photo shoots. And to the boys, hi guys. Right. So, from UK-PINAY and the Marzan household in San Jose Norte 1, Mallig, Isabela. That's us for now. I'm out of here. Bye, and have a very, very nice Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year. Just a little bonus video, guys. Mrs. C told me that the shoppy had arrived. So quickly, I'm just going to show you what I've done. I've taken the stock motorcycle seat off. I've replaced it with this. Very nice. Camelback comfort seat. EV 160. So yeah, that's much more comfortable for my ass and for Mrs. C. There you go, the new seat. So more modifications to come, guys, over the next couple of weeks. Right, that's definitely it for me from UK-PINAY for now. I'll get this uploaded and we'll certainly catch you later, guys. So again, thank you to all the new subscribers and the girls this morning from Mallig. Hi girls, hope you enjoyed the photographs, and obviously to everybody else I've met today, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Sabihin kung paano